President Predicto, Donald Trump fortune teller ball, the greatest way to discover your future. Ask a yes or no question and Trump speaks the answer, like a next generation magic 8 ball. Funny gift. Let Donald Trump tell you your future. Will your future be great again? Just ask President Predicto. His uncannily accurate knowledge of the future will make your jaw drop as he talks back to you to answer your yes or no question. Fans of the original Magic 8 Ball and Ouija board game will love it. Get ready for some hilarious laugh-out-loud fun when Trump's real voice reveals your destiny. Watch the video above to see and hear President Predicto for yourself. Ask President Predicto a yes or no question and he'll speak the answer. You'll be in awe of President Predicto's mystic powers. There are 25 possible affirmative, negative, or non-committal style answers and the mysterious ball comes alive with just a simple wave of your hand. It's so magical, you don't even need to touch it. A unique gift and fun magic game. Instructions and batteries included. They make funny office gifts and holiday Christmas gifts. Great stocking stuffer. Includes batteries, plays spooky music, lights up and talks. President Predicto is no ordinary magic ball. As you wait to hear his eerie answer, the magical LED lights dance to the spooky music and haunting background sound effects. For best results, turn off the lights in room and get ready to experience something truly supernatural. Ask him if you dare. At 3.6 tall and 3.8 in diameter, it's so conveniently small and lightweight, you can easily carry it around in your purse or backpack for on-the-go predictions. President Predicto's predictions will give you goosebumps. As a fortune teller, only President Predicto can foresee what your future will hold, so get ready for some spine-tingling surprises as he tells you and your Trumpy bear the answers to. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.